Good morning, and welcome to episode 277 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Chekin, president of Asset Strategies International. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2026. China's Xi Jinping has been busy. After hosting President Trump, the Chinese premier welcomed Russia's Vladimir Putin. Time will tell what the results of all these talks will yield. President Trump has put threats of new strikes on Iran on hold temporarily at the request of our Arab allies. But Vice President Vance says that the U.S. remains locked and loaded, and Iranian leaders characterize the conflict as a jihad. The hope is that we can resume negotiations, but they have been deadlocked. There is no movement either direction as both sides dig in on the concept of nuclear arms. The race to secure an Ebola vaccine for the new strain out of Congo is on, and gold and silver tumble on inflationary news. Let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers over the past week. Gold is down 4.3%, trading at $4,497.20 an ounce. Last week it was $4,700.20 an ounce. Silver is down 12.9%, trading at $75.81. It was $87.06 an ounce last week. Platinum's down 8.7%, trading at $19.51 an ounce. It was $2,137 an ounce last week. And palladium's down 8%, trading at $1,394 an ounce. It was $15.16 an ounce last week. With silver dropping further than gold over the past week, it's going to take more ounces of silver to buy that ounce of gold. So your gold-silver ratio is up this week to 59.32. It was 53.99 a week ago. And the dollar is showing a little bit of strength, trading at 99.36 against the index of legacy currencies. It was 98.53 a week ago. So since we last talked, the producer price index information came out, and we hit multi-year highs, which means inflation is coming down the pipeline. We're going to see further price increases over time, and that has spooked the markets, and they're saying, hey, it doesn't look like we're going to get rate cuts anytime soon. Is that really an epiphany? I mean, really? We're not going anywhere lower with rate cuts for some time. There is inflation in the pipeline. It's been coming. It's been persistent. It's been sticky and stagnant. There's added pressures from tariffs in the past, and now the oil as a result of the Straits of Hormuz. Inflation is not coming down. Rates, therefore, are not coming down. But as I've said before, folks, it doesn't matter. Your real return on a term deposit is nothing. Absolutely nothing. How is that keeping you from putting your money into something that preserves purchasing power? Gold and silver. That's what they do. They are designed for the very situation we are in right now. I suggest you pick some up on the cheap and do so fairly quickly. As always, we'd like you to go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us, send us your comments and questions. Follow us on our social media platforms. Take our twice weekly, always something interesting alerts and our once monthly Information 9 newsletter. But in the end, don't ever forget, getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.